Good morning. You've joined me and the family. We're on a nice easy rail trail, Threlkeld to Keswick. So this should be a nice gentle 3.5-ish mile hike. We're just going under the A66. Just come down next to the River Gretna. There's a railway bridge.
Don't know what's that for then.
Just look and see what this is on the side of the rail trail. Something to do with the railways. Got to be. Sign the last train, Saturday, March the 4th, 1972. Took some major cuttings that way because they had to blast through the rock. There's some of the navvies building the line way back when.
In 1866
Completed in 2.5 years. The line was completed in 2.5 years on the 26th of October 1864. Yeah, just walking under our first tunnel, repairing that bridge we've just crossed, taking some beams out. Just crossing the River Gretna. We're still heading to Keswick. We've just come off Rawson's Bridge, I think it's called. It's having a few repairs done to it. It's one of those upside down bridges. The theory is they built them like that to keep the natural scenery and hide the bridge a bit. One of the many bridges crossing the rivers on this rail trail. Oh, that looks like the disaster after Storm Desmond in 2015. That'll be the bridge we've just crossed. There is one thing for sure, it's make a fantastic walk in autumn. There's a hillside there full of trees. Bobbin Mill Tunnel reopened 2020. This is the modern part of it. Not the modern, the old part, sorry. There's a little hideaway if you was under the tunnel working, the steam train was coming through. Just walking on the old platform. This must be the old station at Keswick. Let's see what it is now. Gas lamp. See the old canopy. Oh, it's now the Keswick Hotel. The old sign, Keswick. We've had a nice bit of cake and a cup of tea in I think it's Fitzwilliam Park in Keswick, and we're on our way back. An old building from the little platform. The men used to come from Keswick and Cockermouth and get off and to the bobbin mill factory. This is where they got off. There'd have been a little platform here somewhere for them. on the way to Keswick. I don't think I took this shot off this bridge anyway, so we'll have it now. That looks like an old railway post with quarter on it. I guess that's miles to the next station. No wonder this moss is thriving. See the water dripping off it through the rock. And we're going under Rawson Tunnel, I guess it is. A bit of repairs going on up here to this bridge. We'll have a look next. Well, that's coming to the end of our Threlkeld to Keswick rail trail. Fantastic little tarmac trail for the family, and if it's a bit too misty or wet up on the fells. Just like to say thank you very much for watching, liking and commenting. Catch you next time. Bye for now. Great little trail.